Hey! I here, your marketing consultant and business coach in this digital space. I hope you had a fabulous week. I'm excited to share some updates on social media marketing. So here are the recent updates from Instagram specifically. A few weeks ago, Instagram rolled out a new feature that allows you to post from your computer. Finally, it only took a few years. So now you can actually go to your Instagram account and hit that plus button to upload your content directly from your computer. Give it a try and let me know what you think. You can actually now remove photos from your carousel posts too. So if you're a fan of carousel posts, you can actually go to that post, hit edit, and scroll through the photos that you want to remove, or if you want to just remove one image. My findings are still Instagram Reels are the best way to reach a new audience. So if your goal is to reach a new audience, try Instagram Reels and make sure to use good hashtags. So 3 to 5 hashtags are the best ones to actually make an impact, and then also be very specific with the type of hashtags you want to use. Save your amazing stories, the Instagram stories, to your highlights. So when people go to your Instagram account, you want them to decide if they should follow you quickly. You'll be able to capture a new audience with the highlights and get them to tell a quick story about who you are. All right, so let's dive into the lesson of the week. If you didn't know this already, we are in the relationship building business. No matter what industry you are in, we're in the relationship building business. So the sooner you realize it, the better you'll be off in your life and in your career. So let's take actors, for example. If you're an actor, your goal is to build a relationship with casting directors, film directors, producers, and writers. If you're a small business owner, your goal is to build relationships with your customers, right? So both goals require a call back, meaning for an actor, you want to book a role, you're going to go and get more auditions so that you can actually book more work, book work all the time, right? You want to be on set. For small business owners, you want your customers to turn into repeat buyers. You want them to come back to you every time. And then hopefully you want them to share their amazing experience with their friends so that their friends go and buy from you too, right? So that only works if you have a good business relationship with the person that you want to do business with. That's one of the reasons why I touched on experience last week. Make sure that your customers, the people you interact with, right, they have a good experience of you, whether that's a physical store or if it's a physical human being. Make sure that you have a good experience, you're giving that good experience. So your goal should be to focus on strengthening the relationship with the person you're trying to do business with, right? So if this is not your best skill, I challenge you to focus on building relationships wherever you go. So anytime that you go out, practice building relationships with strangers. So if you can strike a conversation and build a relationship with a stranger within 5 minutes, begin observing what works and doesn't work for you. And if you don't know where to start, write down a few open-ended questions and start referring to them. A little creepy, but like you can, open your phone, do it slickly. I know you can do this. I know you can get away with it. All right, so the point is your success lies in your network. There's a reason why they say your network is your net worth. Build your network and your net worth will grow too. I want to highlight Ski-ter Jones. When I first met Ski-ter Jones, he was a speaker at an event that I was attending, and I just fell in love with his energy, his story, his work ethic. He was a successful actor who became a published author of multiple books, as well as a screenwriter and a film director. He is a true storyteller. And at the time, I was just so enamored by his story, I wanted to follow this amazing man on social media. So I followed him like a good follower on Instagram. And so over the few weeks, we developed a friendship because I was always engaging with his content. And so I consistently stayed in his radar without any intention on my end. I just liked what he had to share. And so I was like, yeah, this is good stuff. It spoke to me. And so he began to pay attention to my content as well. So I'm sharing this story to inspire you to see social media as a tool for you to connect with others. Don't see this as like, oh, you know what, I'm going to post content for new people to see me. Yes, the hashtags may get you there, maybe, but you don't want to put all your chips in just one basket. I don't know. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? You want to be able to spread it all out. And so if you are attending events, whether that's in person, online, and that person resonated with you, but you did not have the courage to go up front and go on stage and say, hey man, you were a phenomenal speaker. My name is this and this. I just want to be friends with you. Like, that sounds awkward. Like, for me, I'm not that type of person. I would rather be the friendly stalker and be like, you know what, that amazing human being is amazing, and I'm really shy. Like, if this is one thing people don't know about me, I'm a shy human being. And so, you know, with Ski-ter, I followed him on social media. I could not unmute myself. This was an online event. I just did not unmute myself. I was like, I'm just gonna follow him online. We'll call it that. Good job, Aya. That was it. That was kudos and cookies for Aya. And you know, it truly started with me being genuinely interested in someone else. So again, moral of the story is, as an actor, you get to follow these amazing human beings who are casting directors, film directors, writers, producers, and get to sneak into their stories on Instagram and see what they're up to. Again, be interested genuinely, be authentically you, and be genuine in learning about other people's story and see where it takes you, right? So for me, I didn't think that Ski-ter and I would be friends when I initially followed him on social media after his first presentation. I'm thinking I'll just like I said, I'd friendly stalk this incredible human being because I'm super shy. But as the time went on, he spoke in more engagements. Our friendship grew too because he then became familiar with my brand. All of this resulted in us being friends, but him being my mentor now, who guides me through my journey. And so I want to highlight Ski-ter Jones this week because it really is all about relationships at the end of the day. If you're genuine, you're authentic, you are yourself, the right people will accept you for who you are, and they will guide you to be better too. So thank you so much, Ski-ter, for your fantastic friendship. And thank you for being an amazing friend to her. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your greatest takeaway was and give this video a like, give your girl a follow. Let me know what you're most interested in seeing and learning next. Until then, I wish you the best because you deserve the best. See you next time.